Ayan, guys, na-stuck na tayo. Can you do your thumbs up for me? Ayan, baka naman. I think I have bad luck because I got bite by a dog. But I can inom water and my dad said, I forgot. What? Kat, Ilocano ka ba? I can inom water? And my dad said, I forgot. No, a dog bite you? I think I have bad luck because I got bite. You were bitten by a dog just now? You can drink water? You cannot drink water. What's that mean? Kat, that's so scary, be. No, that was so dangerous. Whose dog is that? Is that your dog? Please go and get some doctor, go for a checkup. You need some injections. You need anti-rabies. You need anti-rabies. Whoever and whatever the dog was, you need anti-rabies. Dog is so dangerous, guys. I know they were lovely. I know they were so pretty, sweet dogs and all. But not every dog. No, but every dog has its own virus, has its own rabies. So please, go doctor, go for a checkup. Take anti-rabies.